little artists! Today we are going to draw something fun and classic, a cute telephone. Let's start drawing together.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big, round-shaped telephone base. Add 2 small stands on top. Now, draw a big circle in the middle. Draw a small indicator line inside the circle. Next, draw many small circles around the big circle. These are the dial buttons. Now draw a cute smiley face in the center. Let's draw the receiver. Draw a handle shape on top with 2 rounded speakers at both ends.
La da 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 dee.
Finally, draw a curly connecting cable. Nice job, everyone! Our telephone drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Take out your color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Such beautiful coloring! Amazing work today, little artists! Keep drawing, keep learning, and keep smiling! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.